Hey guys, today we have the Studios Beats by Dre's 2nd Gen. Okay, we have the graphite carbon fiber for you today. This is the right side, you can tell from that little button, and this is for the left side from the audio jack. Start by cleaning your headphones with alcohol, and then once you're finished, we will start by installing the band. To start installing the band, all you have to do is line it up with the top of the line above the studio logo. You have to get as close to the line as possible. Okay? Nobody is perfect. So once you're traveling from one side to the other side, you will never get a perfect alignment. So if you're off a little bit, you can start to tug and pull on it to you want to do so in order to try to straighten out the band on the opposite side. Some of you may have to tug a little bit more, or some may have to contract the band. As you can see right here, I contracted it by pulling it left and right. So that's some examples. We're going to just lift the bottom of this side one last time, just to straighten it out. Now, if you guys notice, there are quite a few wrinkles around the band. My recommendation is not to press them down while the material is cold, but to grab your hairdryer and heat the material until the material gets soft, and then those wrinkles come right out. As you can see here, I'm starting to heat with my hairdryer, and then the material gets warm and you can just press it away. Some lifting may be required in order to remove some of the wrinkles, but the heat will remove them right away. The reason why is that these model is slightly curved. These are unlike the old ones, that's why you gotta heat it up. This side is going to be a little bit more difficult because it has that button at the bottom of the headset, and that the outer circle doesn't have that indicator as the audio jack port. Okay, so we're going to start off with the headset like we did on the opposite side, and you want to try to center the top and keep that as straight as you can. Alright, and then once you keep the top of the band, the top of the headset straight, you can start to let that circular area sort of center itself at one point. Alright, now that you're up to this part, you can align around that indicator button and press that down. Alright, and that looks good, it's straight. So we're going to divide the wrinkles like we did last time. There should be one like 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, you know, alternately around the headset. This will make for an easier install, like I said previously on the opposite side. As you notice, on this side, I am tugging a little bit. But just remember your divides and not to crunch it. Once you have this headset centered, and you feel confident with it, we're going to continue on like we did with the opposite side, and we're going to heat it until the material gets soft. Like I said before, remember to make little divides in those wrinkles around the circular area, because it'll make the install a lot easier. Alright, you can see it's starting to crunch here, so you just want to lift a little bit. And then reheat, and then you're able to push it down. And you can see that it smoothens right up. Along with the top of the headset, as you can see, there's a little minute wrinkle right there, so we're going to lift that area completely off the headset area. And then we're going to use heat so it can form itself down. And then another wrinkle right by the button. And then heat to conform around the curve. And that's all you have to really do on these headset areas. Heat, press, if it doesn't come out the first time, lift up, and then rinse and repeat again by heating and pressing it down. You may not get it perfect on the first shot, but you're able to work your way around and fix it. As you see here, I was heating it down, I got a little wrinkle, so I'm lifting it, reheating it, and then pressing it back down again. All you have to do is be persistent, and you'll be able to get a perfect install. Alright, we lifted up that wrinkle, we heat, lift it up one more time, heat, and press down. Now we're going to install the center circles. This is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is center it, and depending if your material has a pattern, line it up, or if it's a solid color, you don't have to worry about lining up the pattern. But if you want a nice uniform look, you should line that up with your headset and match the band. Now we're going to move on to one of the wraps that actually wrap the headphone. Alright, this one's a little difficult, but we're going to go right through this. Alright, you want to center it around the audio jack to start. Alright, once you have that area centered, you want to go along one side and start aligning and tugging gently as you make your way around. And then you just want to get that one flapper right behind the band. And you want to repeat that with the other side. Just to make your way as you go around. Pressing it down and tugging as you make your way around this area. Alright guys, now that you have that placed, you want to grab your hairdryer and heat that outer ring. Alright, remember, all you have to do is heat the material until soft, and then press the wrinkles out. Alright, with this side, we didn't get any wrinkles on that outer ring, only on the headset. So now we're going to move on to the next side. This next part's a little tricky. You want to use that area as an indicator and start right there at the curve where it wraps around. Alright guys, this video isn't over yet. We're going to add some color to the Studio 2s now. These pieces are ordered separately. The top are the center circles, and these bottom parts are the outer rings. And there you go guys. Graphite carbon fiber with lime green carbon fiber. Color combination. Oh, let's just touch that up. On the Beats by Dre Studio 2s. Thanks for watching guys, and until next time.